All right. Let's get in there. What up, world? It's BK here, and today we're inside ZZ, our Z31. I do see some sediment down there at the bottom. Thanks to Bluetooth Gun, we now know that the fuel pump is actually next to the fuel gauge, which is what we were looking at before. With that information, I've decided that we're going to take off the fuel tank at a later time. Today, we're going to focus on getting the sound deadening out with our trusty heat gun. Before we do that, let's summon our persona. Always having to clean up BK's mess. Useless notes. Just remember everything. So incompetent, you would just remember everything. This jumping crap, why is it taking you so long? You should be done by now. You'll never get this car done at this rate. What a failure. See, we sanded this down a little bit to give it a nice edge. BK would have never thought of something like that. He ain't got the brains for it. Want some? Oh, you gotta see this up close. Level 1 noob buying a rust bucket. Probably thinks he'll level up faster. Oh well, it'll be fun to watch him fail. We have been making some progress. I scratched it a few places once we switched to this one, and so I think the big strategy here is that we're gonna try to heat up and get like large chunks off with this thing while it bites into like the thicker pieces. Then once it leaves this slab, we go back through with the wooden one and get into it. That's kind of what happened here. This is fun in the sense that it's like a tedious process that you got to keep doing. And I also like that you just kind of get to chill in the car a little bit. It is like a contortion experiment, just moving your body around in here. But other than that, we got it. We're getting there. It's taking forever. Hey, I'm going to keep at it. I know you got to go. So thanks for hanging out with ZZ and I. If you want to see how far we get, check out this video. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Wait, before you go. I got a treat for you. Enjoy